Hello, guys. So in this session, we are going to look at how to watch course videos. Okay. So first, we log on to our platform. So I'm signing in. So once you log in, you just go to my courses. And then when you are added to a number of courses, you just dive into your course. You search your course from the search bar. Okay. So the course I'm searching here is International Taxation. International Taxation. So that is the course. Immediately you click start learning. So when you come, you see all the course content, right? So you see the lectures and the notes by the side. So you can see here lecture 1, introduction to double taxation, lecture 2, relief from double taxation, lecture 3, you see there are notes. Lecture 3 is notes, so you can read the notes. You see, as you read the notes, you can read it here straight, or you can go step by step where you see the reading progress will be loading. And here you can use the AI assistant too. Okay, real-time help based on this section. Let's say you need help. Maybe you need a summary of this. Okay, maybe you need a summary of this. Whatever you need to know, you can tell the AI, and the AI will do a summary for you. Maybe you want to ask the AI a question. You are saying, okay, maybe this part you don't understand. If you can throw more light on it, right? So maybe you can just come here and copy this. Tell the AI that, can you throw more light on this? So I can go and say, can you elaborate? Right? Then I generate. Then the AI will process everything I gave it and give me a brief. It could be a question, it could even be a summary of the lesson. Okay, so you wait for the AI to generate. The same happens to your videos as well. So it's an all-in-one AI learning platform, right? So you see, certainly, let me elaborate on double taxation agreement in the context of international tax. You see, it has given us a summary that we need. Okay, it gives you reading tips and all that. So once you have been able to do that, you can equally watch a video. Let's say this is the video I want to watch, right? Yes. So the same thing. As I watch the video will play all right, but maybe if you watch it for the first time, you can just go to download video and then it will make the video offline for you on the app. So anytime you log on, you can watch the video without internet. Those are some of the benefits we put in for you. So this video, the same way, if you don't understand anything, you can just tell it to what? Elaborate, right? Ask a question or summarize the video. It will generate a summary of the whole video for you. If you don't understand anything, you can equally ask it a question. You see, there's it. It has generated a summary for you. If you want to ask it any question from the video, you can just ask it a question and tell it to, explain the area for you. You can generate a quiz from the video. It can generate a quiz for you from the video. Okay, it's generating a quiz as we speak. Okay, so this is how you watch course content, right? So you see, this is it. It has asked you various questions, a quiz, and then it generates you answers too. All right. So once you are done, you can hide it. Where is it? Hide, and continue watching your video. And the video, it's so easy. You just play your course content. You can skip, go to any level you want to get. You can even open it in full screen mode as well, right? So you can open your video in full screen mode as well. So this is playing in full screen mode, where you can watch, pause, make your videos, use the AI to generate summaries on the same video. So that is how this works, right? Some of them are notes. There's even an assignment I put here. So it says what? Write a report to your manager explaining the importance of double taxation, its causes, connecting factors, and why we relieve persons from double taxation. So here you come and type, and then after typing, you submit your assignment. Then I'll see your assignment. Okay, so it's a 30 minutes assignment. You think about it, then you type your answers in. All right. So with those who have bought books, there's a book attached. Principles and practice. So once you buy it, you see here open material. You just click it and it takes you to the PDF reader where you get to read your books. In case maybe you don't understand anything and you want to ask a question from your tutor, you can just go to Open Classroom and it takes you directly to your classroom where I think one of your colleagues is asking a question. How do I watch the session and all that, right? So you can type, go here, go there. The same way you can attach lecture notes and stuff, right, for them to read. This is how this works.